The Bolt EUV is a 5-seater compact SUV with 16.3 cubic feet of cargo space that expands to 56.9 cubic feet when the back seats are folded. A new exterior color is available for 2023, radiant red tint coat, but at an extra charge. Also available are front and rear floor liners, but whether you get one will depend on dealer stock. In the new Redline edition, Chevy has added a sportier appearance that includes 17-inch gloss black aluminum wheels that have red accents on the mirror caps, and a red Bolt EUV badge on the back of the car. This edition also opens up new exterior colors such as mosaic black, summit white, metallic, and silver flare. On the inside, the Redline edition comes with a black leather interior with red accent stitching. Overall, the Bolt EUV comes with a 10.2-inch touchscreen and an infotainment system that includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless device charging, and a 6-speaker audio system. Chevrolet has replaced the batteries in the 2023 Bolt EUV with new ones from LG Energy Solution. The Bolt EUV has only one powertrain option, and that is a 65 kWh lithium-ion battery that delivers 200 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. It has an EPA-estimated range of 247 miles and can supposedly get up to 60 miles per hour in about 7 seconds. DC fast charging, which can regain 95 miles of range in only 30 minutes, now comes standard. Intuitive electronic precision shift with one-pedal driving is also now available, which enables drivers to speed up, slow down, and even brake using only the acceleration pedal. The MSRP for the 2023 Chevy Bolt EUV starts at $28,195, which is much cheaper than the starting MSRP of $33,995 that last year's model had. Both trims of the Bolt EUV received a $6,300 price cut for 2023. Chevrolet no longer qualifies for a federal tax credit. However, you may still be able to find a discount through state plug-in rebates and programs.